In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a CSV file to Canva for bulk uploads, enabling you to easily create numerous designs efficiently and effectively. Let's get started by first navigating to Canva. If you haven't already, make sure to log into your account. It's essential to have a Canva account to access all of its features fully, so ensure that you've entered your credentials and are ready to go. Once you're logged in, it's time to open or create a design. Whether you're working with something new or an existing project such as a company ID, it's important to have a design ready, as we'll be linking our CSV data directly to this template. On the left side menu of your Canva dashboard, locate and click on the Bulk Create option. This powerful tool allows you to take your design to the next level by incorporating data in bulk. If you're not seeing this option, ensure you're using a Canva plan that includes it. Now you'll want to proceed by clicking on Upload Data. This is the step where you'll bring your CSV file into play. Before uploading, make sure that your CSV file is well organized and ready to integrate seamlessly into your design. It should contain all the necessary details, such as names, addresses, or any specifics you wish to display on your design. Browse your computer to select the CSV file you want to upload. Double-check to ensure you're choosing the correct file, particularly if you have multiple versions or drafts saved on your device. Once you've confirmed the right file, upload it to Canva. The next step involves connecting this data to your design. This is where the magic happens. You need to link the data fields from your CSV to your design elements. Start by right-clicking on the design element you want to connect, such as a name placeholder in your template. After right-clicking, click on Connect Data. Doing so allows you to select specific data columns from your CSV file to correspond with your design's placeholders. Be methodical and ensure that each field is connected accurately to its respective design element. Repeat this process for all remaining design data. This ensures that each element on your design is associated with the correct piece of data from your CSV. It may seem time-consuming, but this attention to detail is necessary to maintain accuracy and consistency across your designs. Once you've connected all your data, click on Continue. You're almost there. This step will prepare your design for bulk processing. Finally, click on Generate Images and wait for Canva to do its work. This might take a moment, so patience is key here. Canva will use the data from your CSV to produce a series of unique designs. When the generation process is complete, look for the Generated Bulk Images in your Project section. Here you'll find all of your designs ready for review, saving you a significant amount of time and effort. There you have it. An efficient way to use CSV files for bulk uploads to Canva. Thanks for tuning in and happy designing!